Justin Heath Tyler.
And what's your experience being here at Deep South Academy? What you learned since you've been here?
I learned how to cooperate with my fellow workers, help them out, working as a team, and helping people detail cars, fix them.
Right. And how long you been here?
I've been here a year and 3 months.
Right. And what you like about being here?
Not only I like the people, I like my boss, and he helps me with stuff that I really need help with. I got big brothers that helps me out with stuff, help me detail cars, help me fix cars, and help me sell the cars.
Right. And what's your favorite thing that you like here? Name some of the favorite, some of the good times, like what's some of the good times that happened here that kind of made you feel good? Like we went and gave away the toys and stuff. What you think about that when we went and gave back?
Well, I really like how we went over to that place to sell toys, because when I was a kid, I didn't have that much money. My mom was always in jail and doing drugs, so I couldn't get the stuff that I really wanted because I never had a father or a mother by my side. But like, since I helped out little kids, it made me feel good, because it's the little things that matters, and people need the little things so they could be happy.
Right. And what you see yourself in the next 5 years? Like learning the stuff about the cars, what you think you want to, like where you would want to be at in the car game? I mean, I know you got a favorite car. Like name some of your favorite cars that you would like.
Lamborghini, Ferrari, and a Mercedes.
So what you like? You like coupes? You like sedans? You like?
I like the fast cars, the racing cars.
Oh, you like the fast cars. So you like something with a little speed in it.
Yeah, a little kickback.
Right. So what's your future like? You know what I mean? Getting ready to go into high school. What you got? How many more years you got before you get to high school?
Well, I got 4 more years. Then I got, after this year, then I'll be in 9th grade. But first I got to finish school and make good grades. Then I got to finish college, and hopefully I'll get to open up my own shop somewhere out here and help little kids like me. Right. And help them out.
Right. And so what do you think sometimes, what's been some of the roughest times in life, like you dealt with? Like what's some of the hardest things you've been dealing with sometimes and you just couldn't get over it? Just a lot of stuff that you've been dealing with on you.
Well, probably not getting along with my brothers, or like don't have nobody there for me when I want to do something, and hanging out on the street is not that good. I need to get off of that, but sometimes it's like I don't care about what I'm doing wrong, but I should be doing things right, but I shouldn't be doing the stuff that I should not be doing, and I should make a good example for my little cousins and my family and help them out.
Right. What advice would you give someone if they wanted to come join the academy and be a part of what we are doing over here at Deep South Academy? What would you want to say to someone out there that's struggling with something and just needs some help like you had needed help?
Well, first, you better get ready to work hard. Second, you just need to go with the flow, listen to what the person's telling you. Don't take it in your own hands and mess it up, and just have fun while doing it.
Right. And